Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change audio settings on Firestick. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Firestick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Alright, to do so, we're going to head over to settings. So as you can see, I'm navigating to settings on the gear bar to the right. Click on that, then come down to display and sounds. Click on display and sounds, it will launch, and from there you come down to audio. Now when you're in audio, to change audio settings, you can enable or disable navigation sounds. This is going to effectively remove any feedback you get, audio feedback, from navigating the device on the system. So if you want to keep that on, just leave this setting on. Next, surround sound. So I'm leaving it at best available, especially because you're not too sure what audio system comes with the audio devices you have. Maybe you have a woofer, it may be embedded with Dolby Digital Plus, or even PCM. So I'm choosing to best available so that it automatically chooses. You could choose to set a specific one like Dolby Digital if you're sure that that's what the soundbar is. Alternatively, you could just leave it at best available. So also you have advanced audio. This will allow you to manage your volume leveler, so you can turn the leveler on and off. The volume leveler is going to set a consistent volume level across all streaming content and apps. Also, the dialogue enhancer is another option. I have it turned off as well. You could turn it on. This boosts the vocals to make it easier to understand dialogue, especially when you're streaming movies. And out of that, you have AV sync tuning. So if I switch into it, you can see that I can change the level by just moving left to right. I can change the level, and then I just click on apply. If I click enter, you apply. So you can adjust the slider left to right until the visuals and sounds are in sync. Note that the tuning mode is HDMI, and if you are experiencing issues with audio video synchronization, this is the tool for you. So if you're watching media, adjust this setting so that the audio does not delay from the video. So that's it for the audio settings. I hope that was useful. I hope you have seamless audio right now. If that was useful, if it was insightful, and you'll be able to adjust your audio settings, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.